today's video, we're going to go over what I call a shopping cart, which is all of the variables that you're interested in looking at, all of the data that you would like to receive back from your search. So I've already run a query that has patients who have ALS, who are between the ages of 65 to 74 years old, and have had an EMG, so a type of testing. Those are my inclusion criteria for the study, but I'm also interested to look at some lab values and if they've ever had a length of stay. But if I add a new group and add hospital length of stay, I don't want to limit my patients who have only had a length of stay. So I'll go ahead and I'll look in University Health System Consortium. And if I scroll down, I can find HC visit details, length of stay, and then I can pull over the hospital length of stay. I'm going to choose no value. I don't care how many days that they were in the hospital for. And then also ICU days. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and choose no value. So if I run this query, we'll see how many patients it returns. While this runs, I'm just going to start looking for the next thing that I'm interested in. I also want patients who have, if they've had vitamin D level, I'd like to get that information. So I clicked on Find, Search by Names containing vitamin D, and then I'm going to narrow down the category to have that be within the laboratory tests folder, and click Find. And so it finds all the vitamin D tests. I'm interested in the second one. And so once this is done running, I can drag it over. Alright, so we're going to have 24 patients who meet these different criteria. If you remember, the previous query without the hospital length of stay or the ICU days was about 90. I can pull it back up. It's in my previous queries. And the number should pop up down here. It is 91. So that significantly limited my population. So I'm going to show you. I already found the vitamin D, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that over. And I'm just going to pull this into group 4 as well, because, again, I don't want to limit my cohort based on these variables. These are just data points that I would like back. So I want to get back hospital length of stay, vitamin D levels. But to make it so that we get back all 91 patients, I'm closing these folders as I go. I'm going to go up to demographics, open that folder, and just drag over the whole folder called age. Every patient in O2 has an age. So this will allow us to get back all 91 patients, and it's not going to limit it to patients who have had the hospital length of stay, ICU days, or vitamin D. So I'm going to go ahead and run that query, and we'll see how many patients we have now. Our query returned, and since we added in the age, we got back all 91 patients who were in our original cohort. This is a great trick for before you request your data. So you can just fill up group 4 with every single fact that you're interested in looking at for your study. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'll come back and watch other videos, and if you have any questions, please let us know.